What's going on, guys? It is your boy Kaliba. Welcome back to my YouTube channel as I bring you a brand new video with a brand new app. Actually, today we're talking about Forex trading. It is an app, but this app is not like a regular. This is what we use for Forex trading. We call this app Metatrader 4. There's a similar app that is called Metatrader 5, and this platform gives us access to the platform of Forex. We can use this platform to trade. As you can see right here, we have the charts. This is what we call the chart. So I'm simply gonna go through on how to use a MetaTrader 4. I want to make this video as short as possible because there's too many things right here, but you only need a few. So as you can see, the broker right there at the top is Globex 360. It's a real account, and the pair that I have opened is USD JPY on 1 hour time frame. Now you can also see here it's written USD JPY 1 hour time frame and whatever numbers they are there. But I think that's the price of the exchange rate between the USD and of course Japanese yen. So what's happening now is you have file, view, insert, charts, tools, windows, and whatnot, which is help. Um, you can basically click on file. You have a bunch of options there. We're not going to touch upon that. There's view, couple of things there. Insert, you can insert a couple of things even there. There's chart, play around with these tools right there at the top. And we have this one. It's called create a new chart and profile. The next one is the watch time, or it's a market watch. The other one is data window, and this one is a navigator. So we're gonna use a navigator mostly and a terminal. So this bluish box is a terminal, and this one is a strategy tester. Not so much. We're not gonna use it too much. And there's a new order, and then there's a couple of things there. We don't use this one, so I'm just gonna skip those ones. Right here we have what we call what charts are these? These are the bar charts. These are the bar charts, and then we have the candlesticks, which are these charts, and then we have a line chart. So usually we play between. I personally prefer that we use candlesticks and the line chart. So mostly we're gonna stick on the candlesticks. Now I'm gonna make a specific video talking about candlesticks so that you understand why I pick candlesticks in most cases. And then here you can zoom in, you can zoom out. Right here you can click on this. It will show you different or all of your charts that you have. If you click on this, you're just gonna put them in some square boxes or something like that. And this is what will help you. For example, let's just say you have gone back far back in history and you want to go back to the current market. You just click on this and then to reinstate you where the current market is. And if you click this thing off, then you can go back all the way till the end. But if you click on this thing, it will bring you back. And if you keep it on like this and you try and scroll, it will always take you back automatically. So you will not be able to go back all the way. You just have to take it off like that, and you can be able to go back as much as you want. If you want to go back to the current, just click on that. And also this one will help you with this distance. As you can see, there's a space right here. Um, if I click on that, my charts stick on this wall like this. So there's no space of value or volume. It just does not give me that room. I prefer to have my chart give me this white blank space, and with this thing you can simply adjust to your liking. So I'll just bring it like that, and that's good enough for me. Yeah, that's it. Right here you can add your indicators, and you can choose a bunch of indicators, whichever indicator you prefer. And right there, those are the time frames. Like I said, I'm on a 1 hour time frame. You can choose any. There's 1 minute, 5, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, and a monthly chart. And also we have templates right there. Those are the templates that you can use. Um, so here we have a cursor, a crosshair, a horizontal, or is it a vertical line, a horizontal line, and then a trending line. And then these ones, I hardly use them. The only thing that I'd use probably is the text box. You can use this box to write in your text, um, draw or text as well, You can use this button or option, and you have this draw rectangle. We use that for some other reasons as well. Um, we have arrows and thumbnails, whatsoever you can. Thumbs up, thumbs down, arrow up, arrow down. We don't use all of these things, but I had to point them out just so you know what you have, what brings or what comes with the MT4 platform. And then down here you have all your time frames. Remember, you have this option and you also have your time frames just right there. So you can change to whatever time frame you want. I just clicked on 15 minutes. As you can see, each and every time frame has its own movement. So this is 30 minutes, as you can see. So without wasting more time, these are what we call candlesticks, right? And this is the chart. Now, for example, if you want to take a trade, you just click on new order. Sorry guys, so I had to change from my MT4 to my MT5 platform simply because my MT4 platform does not want to open up the new order. But anyways, with MT5, it's still the same with MT4. You click on new order and you can see there you have the pair that you have opened up, and this is market execution orders. You have pending orders. You can simply put in the volume or the amount of money you want to risk with. This is like a lot size. This is like a full lot, and you have a buy limit, buy stop, sell stop, and all of those. You can look those up on my other videos if I'll make those. If you want to know more about those sell stops, sell limit, and whatnot, comment down below. Let me know if you want me to make a video about those ones, explaining them into detail, and I'll do that video for you guys. Here we have price. So when you do your buy limit, you just put in the price of the buy limit. Um, you have your stop loss right here. You put in your stop loss. If you want me to make a video about that, let me know. I'll create a video about stop losses. There's take profit, and you also put in your take profit. I'll also make a video about that one. Just comment down below. Let me know if you want me to make videos about the buy limit and whatsoever, also including the stop loss and the take profits. The GTC, it's the time expiration, which is I hardly use that, but should you want your trade to last for today or specified period of time or specified number of days, then you're gonna do this. Automatically your trade will expire and it will close itself. So if you don't want to use pending orders, you just go with market execution, and you can see that you have buy and you have sell. So that's how you simply place a trade. Remember, you click on new order and it's on market execution already. You just adjust your lot size right there to whatever amount you want to bet with. So the minimum of this pair is about $3 lot. You can simply click on buy or sell depending on your analysis or whatever the signal provider has given you. So with that being said, you can simply change your time frames like I said right there. And if you remember, with your MT4 you have a terminal. You also have a terminal on MT5, and this is the terminal. When you click on your terminal, you'll see your balance right there, and there's exposure, there's history, there's news, there's mailbox, calendar, company, market, alerts, signals, articles, code base, VPS, experts, and there's a journal. So you just play around with that. With the terminal, if you have any running trades at all, any running trades, you can be able to see them running just about here. Unfortunately, my balance is a bit low at 0.15. I don't think it will execute a trade, but should it allow me? Only position closing is allowed. Okay, cool. So it's not any trades. But if I was to take a trade, it will appear somewhere here, and I would see if I'm in profits, it will just give me a straight number. But if I'm in a loss, it's either that number will be highlighted into a red color or it will have a minus next to it. But if I'm in profits, it's just going to be a normal number without any minus or a plus sign. It will just give me a normal number. Now, those digits will be running up and down because the market will be moving. So it will mostly look like it's fluctuating. So another thing is the market watch. You click on the market watch, you can see the pairs that you have there. So depending on whatever broker you're using, this is the Deriv broker, which is used to be binary.com. Um, with this broker, we have synthetic accounts, we have forex accounts as well. But this is a synthetic account, and you can see I have some unusual pairs. There's no GBPUSD, there's no USD ZAR, there's nothing like that. So with this part of the market watch, you can simply take any pair, drag it, and drop it on this chart. And drag any pair, take it, drop it on this chart. So basically, you just take any pair that you feel and you drop it on this chart. Let's try and place a trade. Um, so yeah, I don't want to place any trade. Anyways, I do believe you get the idea. Should you be in running profits, how do you close your trades? There will be an X button just right here on the side. Just about here. There will be an X button playing around. So that's how you'll be able to close. So from now on, you just click on that terminal. You can be able to remove it. Click on it, comes back. You click on it, it goes off. Same applies with the market watch. You click on it, it stays there, it pops up. You click on it, it disappears. Click on it, it comes back. You click on it, it disappears. So that's just how simple this thing is. And if you see the red and the green line, and there's a space in between, let me try and zoom in. You can see there's a space in between. That's what we call a spread between a bid and a buy. That's how the broker makes its profit. So every time you take a trade, it's going to be in a loss automatically. But as soon as it goes into your predicted direction, then you're going to make money. Should it go further against you, then you're going to lose money. That's just how simple Forex is. I do believe I did touch upon everything that you need to know about how to use a MetaTrader platform. Be it MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, it's actually one and the same thing. Remember, the F sign is that the indicators. These are the indicators, and this is the terminal, and this is the market watch, and also this is what shows how many accounts you have. So I only have about one account under my name, and it's a demo account. I haven't put in my real account. And then you have indicators right there. You have expect advisors, scripts, and services. So if you're done using this, you're done clicking or choosing any of the accounts that you want to log into. For example, I want to log into my demo. I'm going to double click on my name right there or on my MetaTrader number, and it's going to pop up like this. I'm going to put in my MT4 number, and then I'm going to put in my password, and then I'm going to put in the server, that I was given when I was registering. And then I'm gonna click on OK, and voila, you will see these numbers right here going up and down. That should tell you these numbers right there. Um, these numbers right here. That will tell you if your MetaTrader is up and running. If these numbers are not doing anything, that tells you there's no data flowing in. Probably you have entered one of the information wrong, or probably you have no network whatsoever. So it's just that simple, guys. Let's not complicate this. With this, you can use it to just, I don't know, for fun. I don't want to explain what it's used for. It's used for pips, to calculate pips, and also just to, I don't know, to see where each candlestick occurred, what time, at what price, and all of those things. So it's really not that much of an issue as long as you know how to use the basics, which is how to place an order. If you know how to place an order, that's it. Just click on new order, click on a buy or a sell, and that's it. You can zoom in or out, and these are the candlesticks, the bar chart, candlestick, and the line chart. Also here you have what we call templates, and then once you have selected whatever template you want, you have indicators. If you want to add an indicator, you have a terminal right there which will show you your running trades and your balance, your equity, and all of those things. There's a time watch or a market watch. A market watch will show you the pairs that the broker offers you, and there's also this file. These files, they will show you each and every account that you have signed up with in this broker, or that you have tried to log in with in this broker. Now let's come back to the market watch. For example, let me just hide all. As you can see, sometimes a broker comes like this to you. You don't have all of those pairs that I was just showing you right now. Just click on right click, you go to symbols, and then right here you have a lot of options. So when it's highlighted like gold or yellow or whatever the color may be, you just double click on the gray ones. Double click on the gray one, it will be added on the side automatically. Double click, double click. Um, Make sure they are highlighted in gold or yellow. So all you have to do is just to double click, double click, double click, and all of these pairs will be added into the market watch. There you go. You have almost about everything that you have double clicked on, and you make sure it's turned into a yellow color. And right here in the corner, you have about this thing. If it irritates you, then you're gonna click on this blue and red box, and it's gonna move out of the way. So basically that's how you use MetaTrader 4. We have what we call a trend line right there. You can put in your trend line, but yours won't look like mine. For it to look like this, it's quite simple. Let me show you quickly. Yours will look something like I think let's just take them both. Let me delete this one. So you come on your trend line. As soon as you start, oh crap, as soon as you start to draw, you can see you have that big line that you don't understand. It's like it's already there, but should you want this thing not to be there, you just double click, you double click on it, you make sure these black boxes are available or are visible, and then you go on the line, you right click, properties, and go to parameters, and then click off these rays. Once you've done that, you can see your trend line is nice and neat. You can simply just put it anywhere you want, and you can drag it as much as you want and place it to your liking, basically. Okay, it's fine, it's fine anyways, because we're not analyzing. So this is how you use a trend line. You can put it this way or any other way that you'd like to put your trend line. And also we have a horizontal line, and then you just keep on coming and clicking on those horizontal lines. It's just that simple. And then should you want a vertical, then you just click on the vertical. There's the vertical line there. And since you have these black boxes at the top, even at the bottom, you can just come and right click, properties, and increase the thickness of the line so that you can see it nice and clean. Just like that. It's quite simple. You can do this with each and every line or indicator that you add on your platform. So other than that, it was your boy Kaliba. I hope this video was quite helpful on how to use your MetaTrader platform on your PC. I'll make a phone version later on, but I do understand that the phone version is quite similar to this one. But for those who still need me to make a phone version, comment down below. Let me know on the comment section if you want me to make another tutorial showing you how to use MetaTrader on your phone. So other than that, it was your boy Kaliba, and I'm out. Peace.